Welcome to Get Answered. In this video we will see how to create a website for free, or host one if you have already registered a domain with unlimited storage using Infinity Free. Infinity Free lets you create or host a domain, offers you free SSL, free DNS service. Let's get started. First step is to sign up to Infinity Free website. Enter the required details. After successful sign-up you will be redirected to verification page. Please confirm your verification to proceed further. After completing the verification process, now you need to log in with the details you have used earlier to sign up. Click on Create Account. Choose domain type. If you have a domain already, choose custom domain, otherwise select subdomain. Now enter your domain name that has not been registered. Next step is to enter password for your account. After entering all the details, you will be redirected to the dashboard. In Dashboard you can manage client area, where you will be able to see username, main domain, status of the domain and FTP details. Now let's check the control panel. Here you can basically manage everything for your website. You can see storage, bandwidth, Cloudflare settings, daily hits, and much more settings. Let's check how our website looks without adding WordPress. So you can see the default Infinity Free page for now. Let's get back to the control panel. Now we will how to install WordPress and maybe post something. Let's get going and see how to install WordPress on our website. Go down on the control panel page, you will find the Softaculous app installer. Click on that and you will be redirected to a new page. Now we can see WordPress option. Click on the install button. You need to enter website title and description. After that enter admin details. It will take some time to integrate WordPress on your site. You need to wait until it gets finished installing. After that WordPress will be successfully installed. If you check now you can see the default page has now changed to WordPress page. Now if you have forgot to enter website title and description earlier, you can enter now. Theme options, background images, widgets, all these can all be managed here. OK. Now close this menu after you have changed and done with these settings. Let's check how to make a post on your website. For that you need to hover over post section on left of your screen. Click on add new post. Now you need to add post title, and then you can add or change anything you want like text, images, color, font style. Click on publish button after you are done. So basically this is how you can create or host a website for free without even investing money with unlimited storage. Thanks for watching.